The Redragon K596 wired RGB mechanical gaming keyboard is a standout choice for gamers seeking a compact, yet fully capable keyboard that balances performance, customization, and durability. Its tankulous 87-key layout is perfect for those who want a smaller footprint on their desk, freeing up space for more mouse movement while still maintaining all the essential keys for gaming. What sets this keyboard apart are the 10 onboard macro keys, which allow for extensive customization and quick access to complex commands, giving gamers a competitive edge in fast-paced games. Equipped with tactile mechanical switches, the K596 provides precise, responsive keystrokes that feel satisfying under the fingers and ensure every input is registered instantly. The RGB backlighting is fully customizable, offering vibrant lighting effects that can be tailored to your setup or synced with in-game actions. Each key can be programmed individually, creating a personalized gaming environment that is both visually striking and functionally practical. The keyboard is built with durability in mind, featuring a sturdy frame and high-quality keycaps that can withstand intense gaming sessions without wear or fading. The wired connection guarantees low latency and reliable performance, making it ideal for competitive play. Despite its compact design, the K596 offers a comfortable typing and gaming experience, with keys spaced for easy access and a layout that minimizes hand fatigue during long sessions. Overall, the Redragon K596 combines portability, responsiveness, and extensive customization into a single package. It's perfect for gamers who want a compact mechanical keyboard that doesn't compromise on functionality. With its RGB lighting, programmable macros, and robust build quality, the Redragon K596 stands out as one of the best compact TKL mechanical keyboards available, providing both performance and style for any gaming setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.